Hey people, this is Steve, and this is another box recap. This time for 2013 Momentum, put out by Panini. It's a hobby box of 10 packs, 6 cards per pack. Pretty nice product. There's one rookie per pack, and there's one hit of either a autograph or jersey memorabilia card. So I'm going to go through the highlights, starting with the rookies. The rookies are not numbered, but like I said, one per pack, so a bit short printed, I suppose. We have Dennis Johnson of the Texans, Jonathan Cyprien, I think I'm saying that right, of the Jaguars, D. Milliner of the Jets, Eddie Lacy of the Packers, having a great year. Eric Fisher, #1 pick of the draft of the Chiefs. Margus Hunt of the Bengals. Nick Casa of the Raiders. Rodney Smith of the Vikings. Ryan Swope of the Cardinals. And Tyler Wilson, also of the Raiders. So a couple of Raiders in there. Next we'll move on to the parallels before we get to the actual hits. And I had two parallels. They were both, well, these are numbered. So this one is the gold parallel of rookie Marcus Lattimore with 49ers. And it's numbered 99 out of 99. Some would call that the last one created. And then also of the 49ers, Aldon Smith. And this one is numbered 1 out of 49. This one, I think, is called the Platinum parallel. You can tell the M down there and the line that goes across, typically silver. This one, of course, I don't know if you can tell, but it's gold, the Lattimore. And the Aldon Smith is different. So I think it's called a Platinum parallel, 1 out of 49. So it's interesting I got the first and the last of the two parallels that I received. So now on to the hits. From the Falcons, we have an autograph of Desmond Trufant. Rookie, numbered 195 out of 599. And, sorry, I'm stacking over here. Another rookie autograph of Kevin Minter of the Cardinals. And it's numbered 462 out of 599. And then a familiar name, once again, Marcus Lattimore of the 49ers autograph. Numbered 90 out of 99. Another 49er, this is Quentin Patton, jumbo jersey, and it's numbered 43 out of 299. Rookie running back Andre Ellington of the Cardinals. A jersey swatch there, numbered 210 out of 399. Matt Barkley, rookie, jersey swatch, numbered 20 out of 399. A hot wide receiver this year, Terrence Williams of the Cowboys. Autograph, numbered 37 out of 49. A quad rookie team threads of Robert Woods of the Bills. 4 jersey swatches altogether there. This one's numbered 149 out of 299. We have a rookie team threads with a patch in there of DeAndre Hopkins of the Texans. Nice red patch in the middle. This one's only 14 out of 25. And then the rarest one that I pulled, and the final card I'm going to show you, is number 2 out of 10. Kristen, I think is how he pronounces it. I guess I would too. Kristen Michael of the Seahawks. Pretty cool patch. You know, the Seahawks jerseys are pretty eccentric anyways. So you have what appears to be part of the number with that gray on gray material and the lime green stitching. And like I said, number 2 out of 10. So all of these are for sale. As usual, I will post them eventually on my eBay account. Football Cards by Steve is my username. But if you're chomping at the bit to get something now, let me know, and we can work something out. Thanks, and happy Sunday.